Have you ever walked through a model home or seen pictures in a magazine and thought, I want to make my house look like that? Well, today we're going to show you how. Hey everyone, Shelly Killinger here from the Shelly Killinger Group at Remax CSI. I tour houses for a living, so I have the honor of listing, touring, and selling some pretty amazing houses. However, my absolute favorite homes to tour are model homes in new construction communities. If you have a passion for home decor and you haven't toured one, stop this video now and go find one. They're absolutely stunning. Every inch of a model home has been chosen and designed to impress and inspire onlookers. But how can I make my home look like that, you ask? Well, today we're going to give you 5 steps to help your home look more like a model. The first thing you'll notice when you walk into a model home is that everything is perfectly neat and clean and smelling good. You don't see dirty countertops or shoes lying in a pile at the front door. Now, I have 2 kids, so trust me when I tell you, I understand how tough it is to keep a house clean with kids or pets destroying everything as soon as you clean it. But there are definitely some ways you can control the mess. The first step is to give your house a top to bottom clean, or hire someone to do this periodically. Your house will instantly feel lighter and more put together just by cleaning it. The second step is to start with a neutral palette. You'll rarely see a model home with neon orange or green walls. It just doesn't appeal to the majority of people who are going to walk through the house. Neutralizing your home's colors will not only make it appear larger, but it will also make it easier to change up your home's decor when trends eventually change. This does not mean that you have to go stark white. Although white on white is really in right now, light grays, taupes, those are also really good color choices. I try to use neutrals in my big ticket items too. For example, my sofas, upholstered headboards. Then I don't have to buy new furniture if I feel like mixing up the feel of the room later on. So now that we have your home clean and neutral, we can add in some model home flair. So your third step is to embrace decor trends. If you typically aren't the home decor type, you could check out Pinterest, check out Instagram, look for inspiration there. What are other people doing in their homes that's trendy, but it also fits with your personal style? For example, I have been so in love with mudrooms in model homes lately, but our home just doesn't have the space. So recently we found a little space in our entry to put up coat hooks and board and batten with pretty bench and baskets underneath to organize the shoes. And just like that, in a weekend, we added some model home flair to our 30-year-old house. To make it even better, my kids actually enjoy putting away their shoes and their coats. So I consider that a win. But don't think that this means you have to remodel your entire home top to bottom. Just a quick trip to Home Goods or TJ Maxx to pick up a few trendy accessories can add some of that model home flair to your house pretty quick and inexpensive. So the next tip that I have for you is to add pops of color and texture. I am no professionally trained designer by any stretch, but one thing I see frequently in model homes is the great use of color and texture. So small touches of color and texture can make a room more interesting, more cozy. For example, I love changing out throw pillows when seasons or styles change, just to add in some fresh color. A vase of fresh pink peonies or roses are absolutely my favorite way to brighten up my kitchen. A throw blanket draped over the arm of a chair, a piece of wall art with some metal or some reclaimed wood in it, or a jute table runner, that can all add visual interest to a room. But keep in mind, it doesn't happen all at once. You don't have to tackle every single room all at once. I wouldn't recommend a total overhaul of your entire house in a weekend. Just go room by room, adding as you go, and don't forget to enjoy the process. So when I'm helping people to buy and sell homes, they often focus most on what they find to be their home's worst features. I hear a lot of, my home only has a small patio. How can I make that look more attractive? Or my home is so cookie cutter. I want a house with character. How can I fix that? My last tip would be, work with what you have in your home. And remember that your home doesn't have to be brand new or professionally designed to feel like a model. I've seen small patios that truly look magazine worthy with a cute rug and comfortable lounge chairs to make a conversation area, add some outdoor string lights to add some atmosphere. And I've also seen plenty of so called cookie cutter homes where people have truly made it their own and added in character through built in shelving or adding some crown moldings, using well chosen antique furniture. Honestly, any home has the potential to feel like a model. So just a fun little video today, guys, on making your home feel more like a model home. I hope you enjoyed it. We love seeing your comments, so comment and place your questions down below, and we certainly will get to those. Also, give us some likes, give us some hearts and thumbs up if you like the content of this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming market updates or videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.